always helps if you press record when you're doing your intro, but never mind. What can I say? Out on the fields, this is a public permission via the council in West Sussex. I've got about an acre, so it's about the size, I reckon it's the size of a football field, so about an acre or so. Whatever I find you're going to see. I'm only going to go for the sweet tones, high tones, etc. I'm not going to go for the grunty ones. So if it's lots of foil, you're going to see lots of foil. If I'm lucky enough to get coins, then you'll get to see coins. Enjoy. See it first hole. I will be here for a number of hours, maybe 3, maybe 4. Depends on how long the coil lasts. Enjoy. Well, I didn't think I was going to get a signal. It's a 75, 76. Not very far down. Probably about 5-6 inches. Oh, what's that? Oh, there it is there. Whatever that is. No, I don't know what that is. But that's the first hole. So 51, 52. And to be fair, I'm not digging very many signals. I'm on another circuit since I've walked around this field once already. Well, sorry, say once already. I've walked around this field quite a few times now, but once since the last time I dug a hole. It's promising because it's a bit deeper, so hopefully this might be actually a coin. Yay! Or is it a button? No, it's a coin. It's the glorious 1 pence, I think. Is it a penny? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. It should be a penny. It's the right size for a penny. That was a 50-51. Queen Elizabeth that side. That looks like a 6pence. So that'd be a 1950 something. Yeah, young head. That looks like a 6pence. I thought it was going to be a penny then. Happy days. 50-51. Queen Elizabeth, and that certainly looks like a 6pence to me. I might be wrong, but it's what it looks like. 1950. I think it says 1956. So there you go. So it's not silver. So, but yeah, we get a coin. And I think that's only my 6th hole. I'll turn you on. right down. It is fluctuating though, this signal. I'm getting a 75 and then a 56. Oh, what's that? Another one of them lead things. Someone to tell me what they were. I will put it up on the it'll be up here somewhere. What it is. But yeah, a bit of lead. I can't remember what they said it was, but yeah, I've found a few of these of late. So interesting, but yeah, bit of lead. Oh, looks like another coin. Looks like another coin. Could be a button. It looks like a coin. No, it is a button. Very heavy. It looks like an anchor. Don't know whether it is or not. Certainly looks like one. It's a very heavy button. As if it's a button at all. That is very heavy. I'm sure that would be a shank or something. I don't know. I'm going to go with the button. But as I say, it is extremely heavy. Very heavy. So I don't know. That's an 86, 87. It says it's a long way down, but going by the others, probably not. Prove me wrong now, you watch. Very loud now. Very loud. I just bent my spade. Let's have a look at the pointer. I just had a bit of lead out here as well, so. It could be the same, could be a bit of lead as well. Again. Let's have a look. A lot of a lot of roots here. Okay. Let's put it out. What's that? That is a coin. And that's a George. Is it George V? It's a halfpence. Yeah, I think that's George V. Certainly looks like George V. And it's a halfpence. Let me just give it a spray. That's right next to the gate coming in. Right. Oh, was it George VI? No, George V. Uh, 1928 by the looks of that. Yeah, Georgius, or George, yeah, George, yeah, and a V. So yeah, George V, halfpenny. 1928. Oh, we got a 70. 69.70. I think it's a ring pull, to be fair. Yeah, ring pull. Never mind. 87.88. It's still an 87.88. And it's out. And we've got a coin. It's an old halfpence. Old decimal halfpence. There you go. I'll just clear the roots. We've got an 80-81, very close to the surface. A bit of foil, just a bit of tin lid of some sort. Oh, what's that say? Oh, is it an old ear tag? Is it an old ear tag? Oh yeah, it could be an old ear tag. See if I can open that up without breaking it. 2397. Oh, there you go. An old ear tag. Probably off of a cow or a sheep, I don't know. There you go. We've got ourselves a dog tag or cat tag. I'd say it's a dog tag. I won't turn it over because it has got the owner's details on there. But yeah, well, I don't really have to dig this one. I've just found it there. It's just there. I don't know if it's an old half p or whether it's a penny. Just sitting on the surface. It's a 5 pence. Well, there you go, 5 pence piece. spendable. Alright, we've got a 70. We've got a 70. Could be a bottle top. Could be a coin. Should be a coin. Let's see. And what we got? We got 20 pence. There you go, 20 pence a piece.